you, my dear student. Stay home and maintain social distance and obey the rules of health for coronavirus. Let's go to enjoy a video class. Welcome everybody. Teacher information. I am Kamruzzaman, assistant teacher, Gopalpur School and College, Monirampur, Jashore. Email kamruzzaman1765@gmail.com. Listen, introducing subject English second paper, class 8, lesson 3, topics introduction to preposition. Learning outcomes. By the end of lesson, SS can be able to give the definition of preposition, identify the preposition and classify the preposition. Dear student, what can you see in the picture? The book is dash the table. The book is dash the table. Which word is used in the gap? The answer will be on. The book is on the table. Okay, dear student, what can you see in the any other picture? Okay, there is a cat. Where is the cat? The cat is dash the table. The answer will be the cat is under the table. Okay, dear student, what kinds of word on and under? Have you clear? Okay, this word is preposition. Thank you, dear student. Today's lesson is preposition. Now we are going to learn preposition. Our today's lesson is preposition. We know about preposition from the class. So, dear student, attention to my class and try to understand clearly from the class about preposition. Fill in the blank with suitable preposition. This is the individual work. What can you see in the picture? There is a bird in the cage. Okay, the sentence will be the bird is dash a cage. Which word is used in the gap? The answer will be in. The bird is in a cage. So we use in. In is a preposition. What can you see in the picture? There is a boy who is going to school. So the boy is going dash school. which word is used? The answer will be the boy is going to school. What kinds of word? To. To is preposition. Okay. What can you see in the picture? There is a man who is entering in the room. The man is entering dash a room. The answer will be the man is entering into a room. What kinds of word? Into. Into is a preposition. Okay. Dear student, it is any other picture. What can you see in the picture? There is a little boy who is looking through the window. The boy is looking there in the window. The answer will be the boy is looking through the window. What kinds of word it is? It is on kinds of preposition. Okay, we are going to learn the definition of preposition. What is preposition? Anybody answer the question? What is preposition? The answer will be preposition is a word which links nouns, pronouns and phrases to other words in a sentence. It is called preposition. Dear student, everybody open your notebook and write down the definition of preposition. This definition is very important for you. So, quickly everybody write down the definition of preposition. Again, I am reading the definition. A preposition is a word which links nouns, pronouns and phrases to other words in a sentence is called preposition. Okay, I am trying to teach the preposition. For this reason, I use some Bengali word. In next slide, you follow. This is the Bengali pronouns for your understanding. This is the definition of preposition. Example: on, in, to, into, of, above, over, with, within, without, etc. All the words are preposition. Now we are going to learn at now classification of preposition. This is the classification or kinds. Do you know how many kinds of preposition? Okay, dear student, there are 6 kinds of preposition. We follow the classification of preposition. Now I show a chart for understanding about the preposition. Everybody follow it and try to understand the chart. Simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, phrase preposition, participle preposition and disguise preposition. There are 6 kinds of preposition. Everybody note down all the kinds of preposition. It is very helpful for you. So open your khata and try to note down. Simple preposition. What is simple preposition? Simple preposition is one kind of preposition which is single word. This example: at, in, on, by, with, etc. This is the simple preposition. It is will be single word. double preposition, doubles means two. So when we use simple preposition to in a word, this is the double preposition. In to, with, in, up to, this is the double. In to, this is the double. So its name is double preposition. Now compound preposition, the preposition which is used noun, adjective, adverb before position will be used simple preposition, that is the compound preposition. Example, on plus cross will be the preposition across. Be plus side will be the preposition beside. On plus long, the preposition will be along. This is the compound preposition. Okay, phrase preposition. Phrase means group of words. When a group of words express the meaning of a preposition, that phrase called the phrase preposition. According to, on account of, by dint of, this is used alternative of preposition. So this name is phrase preposition. Participle preposition. Participle means ing form of verb present form. When this word use alternative of preposition, this is called the participle preposition. Example, regarding, considering, etc. are the participle preposition. Now we are going to question number 6, the disguised preposition. Disguised preposition. The example will be, she comes on a week. Here it is used alternative of preposition on. It is the disguised preposition a. This sentence, it is 4 o'clock. O is preposition. This is used alternative of. So O is disguised preposition. Have you clear, dear student? We have shown the picture about preposition. There are 6 kinds of preposition and characteristics and example. Have you write down all the chart of preposition? Okay, thank you. You have to make sentences by seeing the picture. I have shown some picture for you to make sentences. About the picture, what can you see? There is a aeroplane which is flying above our head. This is the distance place for you use above or over. This is the contents of preposition. So the sentence will be, the aeroplane is flying over our head or in the sky. What can you see? A man is walking along the road. The man is walking along the road. Okay. He is carrying an umbrella over his head. Over, this is preposition. Some ducks are walking on the road. There is some ducks. They are walking on the road. One is what kinds of preposition. Now, dear student, I asked you 3 questions. which I have discussed in before slide. Have you remembered? Okay. What is preposition? I have discussed in before class or before slide. Give 5 example of preposition. Write 3 sentences with above, under, to, in. This answer you write down in your khata and part time you show me your answer. I will write the correction of your khata. Okay. I give you the homework. Find out the preposition from the listen and arrange the according to classification of preposition. This is your homework. Everybody try to do the homework in your house, and when you come back to your school, that time I will be try to correction the khata. Okay. Thank you, everybody, dear student. Everybody will be well. Thanks.